Around 200 activists from all over the country have stormed a pig farm as part of a protest against the factory farming industry in the UK. Activist group Meet the Victims UK arrived at Sandilands Pigs near Laughterton, Lincoln, in their droves at around 11 a.m. and have been at the farm all day. The group say that they want to expose the reality of factory farming to the public, and 100 activists are inside a farrowing house interacting with pigs. Videos from the scene show the activists wearing white suits and masks inside one of the huts, while another 100 people are outside with signs and posters. Activist Chris Hines told Mail Online that the group wants to make the pig farming industry more transparent and let the public know the truth behind their meat. He said around 100 activists who have come from all over the country are inside the farrowing house now, calmly interacting with the mother pigs and piglets. The mothers are in farrowing crates. The space inside a crate is enough for them to take a few steps, and they can stand up and sit down. They can't turn around. They will be in there for about 6 to 8 weeks while they let the pig suckle. The idea behind them being in this is so they don't crush the piglets. They only have a few inches to move around. If these were dogs, there would be outrage. Mr. Hines also explained that the activists did not choose Sandilands Pigs for any specific reason except to show that this is the standard type of farm in the industry. Joey Carbstrong said, "The message is that these places operate in secrecy. The public are funding something, and they have no idea what goes on in there." "We are trying to bring what happens in here into the light. We want to advocate for a plant-based lifestyle, a vegan lifestyle, so that these places don't exist and animals are free." The activists have been sharing updates from their protest on Facebook and say they won't leave the Lincoln farm until this story is covered in the media. Speaking to Lincoln Live, joint owner of the farm Sylvia Hook, 59, said the activists had caused damage in the hut and claimed they caused the deaths of 2 piglets. Ms. Hook said about 50 of them all piled into a farrowing house. Immediately the sows are jumping up and down. It's caused the death of 2 young piglets through being squashed, and 2 other piglets I've had to take. However, the activists deny this and claim they found dead animals inside when they entered the farmhouse. Mr. Hines added that the activists inside the farrowing house have been calmly talking to and reassuring the pigs and interacting with the piglets.